Hey everybody, here are the full details in the coin shown in the image. 1882 Argentina 10 centavos. Full detailed. Basic information. Country: Argentina. Year: 1882. Denomination: 10 centavos. Material: silver. Silver purity: 0.900, 90% silver. Weight: (2.50 grams). Diameter: (17 mm). Edge: reeded. Mint: Buenos Aires mint. Obverse: front side. Details: the obverse features coat of arms of Argentina. A pair of shaking hands symbolizing unity. A pike topped with a Phrygian cap, representing freedom. Surrounded by laurel branches. Rising sun with rays above the arms. Inscriptions: REPUBLICA ARGENTIنا, the name of the country. Year below: 1882. Small stars on both sides of the date. Reverse: backside. Details: the reverse shows bust of Liberty. Profile of Liberty with flowing hair. A common symbol used on Argentine coins during the 19th century. Inscriptions: Libertad, meaning liberty. 10 centavos, the denomination. 9 fino, indicates the silver purity. 9 dineros, equal to 0.900 fine silver. Designer's initials: Hussein, engraver. Stars appear around the rim for decorative balance. Historical background: these coins were part of Argentina's early national currency system. The 1880s were a period of political stabilization and economic expansion in Argentina. Silver 10 centavos coins were used extensively in everyday trade. The design reflects strong themes of unity, liberty, and national identity. Rarity and collectible value. Value depends on condition, rarity, and demand. Circulated condition: $5.25 US. Fine to very fine: $30 to $60 USD. Extra fine: XF70 to $120 USD. Uncirculated: mint state $150 to $400 plus USD. Rare: coins with strong details and minimal wear are highly collectible. Metal value: contains 2.25 grams of pure silver. Silver melt value is low, around $2 US. But collectors value the history, age, and design, making it worth much more than metal price.